Hey kinfolk, today we're making a no bean chili. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need ground beef, yellow onion, garlic, green bell pepper, green onion, a jalapeno, granulated sugar, beef broth, tomato sauce, fire roasted diced tomatoes, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, chili powder, ground cumin, and smoked paprika. Begin by dicing a half of yellow onion. Next, dice a green bell pepper. And lastly, dice a jalapeno. Now that everything's prepped, let's get cooking. Heat up some oil in a pot. Once it's hot, add 2 pounds of ground beef. Break it down and let it brown. Once brown, drain off any excess grease. Add the beef back to the pot along with your diced onions and peppers. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Next, pour in a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce and a 14.5-ounce can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, a generous amount of chili powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Give it a mix. Pour in 2 cups of beef broth. Then add a tablespoon of sugar. Cover and let it simmer for 45 minutes to an hour. And there you have it, no bean chili. Serve it up and top it with cheddar cheese, sour cream, and jalapenos. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.